Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, and today I want to talk to you about the custom laser-etched Tesla keycards available exclusively from T-Sportline. So what do we have here? You know, this is the keycard that will operate your car, and it's a fantastic convenience, but they all look exactly the same. So if you have more than one Tesla or you ever use valet, guess what? There's going to be dozens of cards in the valet, or you have a couple of cards at home you're switching between, and they always look the same. We've come up with the solution. We now offer laser-etched Tesla keycards. We start with a brand new keycard that we get from Tesla, and we custom laser etch. You can either put a silhouette of your vehicle or custom text. You can put like Brian's car or Brian's Model Y, whatever you want to put on here. And we'll send these things out to you. It's super easy to program them to your car. Let me show you how to do that right now. Now, to program the new card, you do need one of your original cards. If you don't have any of your original cards, you have to do a service call to Tesla. So you're gonna have to show up at Tesla with the new card and they can program it. But assuming you have your original card, this is super easy. You go in here to locks, go to add key, scan your new key card behind the cup holder. So I'm gonna take the new card, tap it down here, tap existing key card to approve pairing. So I'm gonna take my old card, and that's it. I'm now programmed. Head on over to tsportline.com. You can order these new key cards directly from T-Sportline. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about the silhouette? What do you think about the text options? If you have ideas for different logos, let us know below and we'll see if we can add them too. All right, everybody, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel. We got a lot more Tesla upgrades and accessories coming your way.